Howdy, this is Daniel with the Dawson Creek Disc Golf Club, just doing the early bird membership raffle here for the tournament bag from Discraft. So we'll just go over all the early birds that signed up today or before May 1st. So that's a list. We got 17 entered. You gotta have a tag to be entered into the draw. So we got 16 tags here, and I will do the draw. Go over to random generator. It's secure. So it's got the little green lock. What is it, 11:39? Monday, May 1st. We had a great league night. So I'll just put in 16. Oh, first I'll refresh the page. I guess that's something people do for raffles. There we go. See, so I'll put in 16 tags here, or entries, and I'll hit generate 9. So go to our list here. Number 9, Elena. Congratulations. Elena Workington got the bag. All right, thanks.